We are going to discuss today's topic, which is item writing. Items definition: a single task or question that usually cannot be broken down into any smaller units. Types of item: first, essay item or free answer item. Second, objective item or new type of item. Essay item, most appropriate for measure higher mental process like synthesis, analysis, evaluation. Types of essay item. First, short answer type. Examinee supplies the answer in one or two lines concerned with central concept. Long answer type. Answer comprises several sentences and concerned with more than one central concept. Method of scoring the response of essay item. First, sorting method. In this, answer sets are grouped into categories like best answer, better answer, poor answer. No fixed rule for number of groups. It depends on examiner, and the score assigns the weightage to be given to each group. Points score method. A grading key with correct expected answer is prepared beforehand. Each points or idea carries a score. Examiner assigns marks accordingly. Points are added to give total score for each examinee. Objective item. Objective items are test questions that have a single correct answer and can be scored easily and consistently. They minimize examiner bias and include formats like multiple choice, true false, and matching items. Types of objective items. First, supply type. Examiner is to write down the correct answer to his own. Selection type answer. Examinee has to select or identify the correct answer through a few given. It is also called identification item. The type of item, Likert format. Respondents are given statements and asked to indicate their degree of agreement or disagreement. Usually it uses 5-point to 7-point scale, strongly agree to strongly disagreement. Use in personality assessment, attitude measurement. Category format. Respondents rate their feelings or experiences on a continuous dimension, often uses numerical scale. For example, 1 to 100. Rate stress level. Checklist method. A list of items is presented and the respondent simply check which item apply to them. Cue sort method. A set of statements or cards is provided and respondents classify them into categories ranking from most like to me to least like me. Half parallel. It conveys two or more than two ideas at the same time. Scoring method of objective test item. First, overlay key method. In this method, cutoff key is prepared, that is a window which may display the answer to each item on each page is prepared. Stripe key method. The answer is printed or cut in stripes, each corresponding to a question. Scores matches each stripe to the student's answer and mark correct one. Thank you.